Good morning, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World. Mom wanted to see the snow, how much we got. We got a dusting. So I figured I'd show you. It's interesting, up by the house, it was warmer, and the trees are not very, don't have much snow, but up top, higher, they did get a dusting. So the heat radiates from the houses. And let me show you here. See up front and up by the houses, the plants didn't get any snow, the flowers. But down here, as we go into the yard, it gets to be more and more snow. It's pretty though. It's a peaceful, quiet. The first snow of the year is always so quiet and peaceful. I don't know how a pure white and the lack of color can be pretty, but it is. I never did figure that out. Well, there it is, our first snow. Not a lot. Every single Halloween, it seems like we get snow. Just seems to be a given. And then it melts off, and you never know what comes after that. It's actually, though, an inch. Oops, I had my camera zoomed in. It's actually an inch. It goes up to my knuckle here, my first knuckle. So it's actually quite a bit. It's just that the ground was warmer. The wood is an insulator, and it shows you the actual amount of snow we did get. It's calm, so that's not fake. That isn't from wind blowing. Actually, if the wind was blowing, that would have blown off. Look at that. I got a good inch of snow last night. Alright, brief video, little update. That's it. I'm just in survival mode, trying to keep warm. And that's basically it right now. I got some cool videos coming though, so watch for them.